welcome again. Today I am going to show you what is the minimal web API. In the last video I already showed about the web API, how we create the web API. But what is the minimal web API? Minimal web API is a lightweight way to create the API, and it is not required to create any controller and all. Okay, this is the very suppose you want to create the simple API for any specific purpose, like the very small API that is not required too much logic and all, and then we can create the minimal web API. That is very easy to create. There are not required any controller or anything. Let's see how we can create the minimal web API. So first of all, we have to go Visual Studio and create new project. Then just search the ASP.NET Core Web API. Just select the ASP.NET Core Web API, and this is the project name. You can choose anything, and just click on the next. Here, the one thing, the use controller should be unchecked by creating the minimal web API. So you can just click on uncheck, and I am using the .NET 10 and configure HTTPS, enable Open API support. The guys, one thing you need to remember, when you use the .NET 10, the by default Swagger will be not installed. So you have to install the Swagger separately for the .NET 10. Okay, and click on the create button. It will create the minimal web API. Okay, so you can see this is the minimal web API. In the program.cs we have the few lines of code, and then this is the our get method. Okay, let's see. And just I'm going to remove everything, and when you run this API you will see, let's run it first. Then I will remove the old by default code and create the simple class and call the all four methods. Okay, so you can see here this is the default methods it's created. And okay, let me just close it, and I'm going to create the four simple methods. Let me do create a class. I am creating a class student. It has simple two properties, id, and just create one more property, name. Now let's move to the program.cs, and I'm going to remove all this code. Yeah, so I remove the all the old default code. I'm just creating a simple get method. Suppose it's return the only hello word. So just type app dot map get. Okay, just close this. And whatever I want to return hello world. And just what will return? Just it created one get method. Let's see. So you can see it's created a one get method. Okay, just click on this. Try it now. Click on execute. What is the result? Hello world. Okay. Now I'm going to add the four difference method. So what is the classes we want? Just create a list of student. Okay, I'm creating the list of student. I'm just returning the students. Okay, and I am just giving a name get student list. So that is the method name. I am returning the student. That is the simple get method. Suppose I want to put add the student. I am just copy and paste one more method and having changing mat post. Add student. Okay, and I am passing the here student object student. So I just added add student object students dot add. I am just adding. Let's see what is the response. And just put swagger. You can see here two method is created, get student list, add student. Let's see, execute. You can see now it is the blank. Okay, now I'm trying to add one student. Let put student one test and creating execute. Now let minimize this, trying to get again, and I can see one student is added. So in this way we can implement the APIs in the very basic way without creating the controller. Let me add two more methods. Suppose I want to add delete. Yes, I am copy paste here. Just I need to paste here delete student, and I want the student ID int ID, and I need to just put here students dot remove all ID equal to ID. I'm just removing the student. That is one more method. Okay, I just get map delete. Okay, third method delete student. In this way we can create. Let me run again. Let me call swagger. You can see third method is also created. Let me go one by one. I am going to add few student first. I'm just adding one, test one. Okay, I am adding one more student two. That name is test two. Okay, two student added. Let me check by calling get student, execute. I can see here two students are added. Okay, and let me delete one student. So what I am do to, I need to pass the ID, try it out. I am passing ID 2, the second student will be deleted, executed, it's success 200. Let me try to click on the get student again. You can see here only one student is available because 2 is already deleted. So in this way, very simple way, we can create the minimal API without the controller. So what we need to do, we need to just a method map get, and under this method we can add the any logic here, whatever logic we want to we can create. Okay, so there is the only one file in the project, program.cs, and everything we are doing in this project, there are not required any controller and all. Okay. Yep. Hope you guys are like this minimal API video, and please give me the comments if you want to more topic on APIs. Thank you all. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.